This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. A taxi operator has been charged in connection with the May 6 mob killing of 62-year-old Chieftain Campbell in Mandeville. Charged with murder is Orlando Powell. Superintendent Lloyd Darby, head of the Manchester Police, stated that a post-mortem showed that Campbell died from blunt force trauma. Darby added that Powell was taken into custody after camera footage showed his involvement in the mob killing. Powell appeared in the Manchester Parish Court on Thursday morning and was offered bail in the sum of $500,000. A businesswoman was killed Wednesday night after gunmen broke into the home she shared with her husband in Cumberland District in Spalding, Clarendon. The husband fled during the incident and was not harmed, the police reported. The deceased woman has been identified as 42-year-old Melissa Claire Wright. Police said about 9:30 p.m., Wright and her husband were at home when gunmen broke into the dwelling. It is reported that the gunmen demanded money. When their demands were not met, they reportedly shot Wright in the head. Her husband fled into bushes and was chased by the gunmen but not held. Police, who were summoned to the scene, rushed the businesswoman to hospital where she was admitted but later died. A man was given 6 months imprisonment at hard labor after he presented a fake provisional driver's license to police officers when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday. Marlon Johnson, a security guard, pleaded guilty to the charges of conspiracy to deceive the police and uttering forged documents, as well as other charges. Making a flimsy defense, Johnson told the court that he did not know the license was fake. However, Senior Parish Judge Lorian Cole Montague pointed out that his comments were inconsistent with his guilty plea of conspiracy to deceive the police. She explained that his plea indicated that he was aware that the document in question was not legal. Come June 5, approximately 10,000 Jamaicans will be recruited to work on cruise ships overseas. The announcement was made by Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, who was speaking at a function at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James last week. He said the massive recruitment drive comes at a time when the cruise sector and tourism by extension are showing signs of growth and is a telling indicator that Jamaican workers are viewed positively on the global stage. According to a release, the recruiting process will be handled by the operators of the cruise lines, and Jamaicans only need to have a clean police record and a clean bill of health. And in sports, a superb unbroken sixth-wicket partnership of 118 between Brandon King and Casey Carty steered the West Indies to a 5-wicket victory over Netherlands in the second one-day international on Thursday. The two came together with the West Indies in serious trouble at 99 for 5, chasing what appeared to be a relatively straightforward target of 215. King was the more vigorous of the pair, clubbing 3 sixes and 9 fours in his unbeaten 90-ball 91, while Carty played the anchor role, accumulating 43 from 67 balls. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.